Hey, April. Nice to see you, honey. I can't wait to share with the audience what we're going to be doing this Wednesday. Yoo-hoo! Another workshop
Yahoo! I'm so excited to see you again in the kitchen, Suzanne.
in
This is
our
so
kitchens.
much
You're in
fun.
yours and
Yes,
I'm in mine. So the workshop that we're hosting is on Wednesday, June 24th from 1 to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's just 2 days away. The most powerful detox starts in your kitchen. And we're going to be talking about what to remove, what to replace, and why. And we are going to be sharing a load of information that's going to blow your mind about why we are in such chronic disease and chronic issues today. And it's the food you're eating, and good health starts. It either starts or ends in your kitchen. So I can't wait for you to join us.
yes, exactly. We are going to show you some fun little things. We have some recipes planned. We have a peek in my fridge planned and just some Q&A. So bring your questions. We're so excited to see everybody.
Absolutely. And we're also going to be giving away to a lucky winner a free pantry purge that they get to do at their leisure and their timing with both April and I. And it's going to be virtual. So obviously we'll get to come and see inside your refrigerator. You don't have to worry about it. April's going to show her refrigerator on Wednesday. So you got to be here. You got to show up to win that. And then we've got
We
some
got to stay to the end. And
yeah,
yeah, we have so many fun, exciting details to share with you and some news. And so, yes.
and recipes. So we each are going to be sharing with you some new recipes, some new products that we're going to be bringing in that you can see that we love to eat and share, and reading ingredients. I'm all about the power in the pantry. You've got to read ingredients. So we look forward to seeing you. Hope you can be there again on Wednesday, and you can get all the detail this coming Wednesday. You get all the details in the show notes or on our link tree if you're watching on social media, and if you're on YouTube channel, I'll have it in the descriptions. All right, I can't wait to see you, April. We've got a lot planned for everybody. It'll be a lot of fun.
Can't wait to see you, Suzanne. Let's plate our health. Woo!
Okay, see you guys.